Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to show you my sugar snap pea grow in an Aerogarden. Now, most people wouldn't grow sugar snap peas in an Aerogarden because they get really messy like this. They are a vining crop, a very delicious plant if you've ever grown them outdoors in soil, but they grow just fine hydroponically. And I'm going to show you what I've got going on here. I put these trellises on hoping that the tendrils would wrap around the trellis and kind of climb, and that really hasn't happened. Instead, it's just a big old mess of leaves. But I do have some flowers and some fruit. I'm going to show you that. I've also got, I think, a deficiency of some kind. I'm just feeding these regular Aerogarden nutrients, which should be sufficient, but obviously there's something not going right here because of these brown leaves on the bottom. You can see the roots inside. The roots look really healthy. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 plants. And let's just take a look at what we have here. So sugar snap peas, really, really delicious. As you know, they flower before they fruit. So I've got a lot of flowers here, these beautiful white flowers. And let me show you something over here. I've got some sugar snap peas. That's really, really fun. And up here I've got some more. It's kind of just climbing the window. They really don't have anywhere left to go. Again, one of the reasons why Aerogarden doesn't, or Miracle-Gro doesn't promote you growing a vining crop like this in an Aerogarden, because it's just not really set up for it. You have nowhere to put all of these vines. So they kind of just flop over, but that's okay. It's working out. Got lots of white flowers here. All of these are going to turn into sugar snap peas. I'm actually going to do a taste test because I haven't had any yet. This is the biggest one I have. It's pretty much of mature size. So here's what it looks like. Just a sugar snap pea, you know. Should be sweet. Let's see. That is good. Super juicy, crunchy, and sweet. Probably doesn't taste as good as it would if you grow it in soil, but not bad. This doesn't really require much work. And so that was a look at my sugar snap pea grow. Let me just show you how I actually did this. Excuse me. Okay, so these are the grow sponges that you get in an Aerogarden. You can buy on Amazon a kit of just grow sponges and empty baskets for pretty cheap. So what I did here is I soaked this peat moss pellet in water. Then I took the sugar snap pea seed and just stuck it in the top, dropped it in, and you know, this is about 3 weeks of growth, so they grow super fast. They really seem to like being in here. This is actually near a sunny window, so it's getting additional light from the real sun and also the lights. So I would call this a successful grow, and you should try it out. Another thing that you should not grow in an Aerogarden, but I'm trying anyway, is watermelon. And I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to do another video about my watermelon grow soon. But that's going really, really well, as you can see. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to talk about how the watermelon grow is going, because I think it's growing really well. Pretty cool. Okay, that's it.